Hello there, welcome to another video. This is the Bookkeeping Master on YouTube. This is another video that is part of the business planning series. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a template, like this one here, for a projected profit and loss statement. The projected profit and loss statement gives an annual summary of projected profit or loss going to be made in that year, in that 12 months. So it's likely you'll make 3 of these. If you're doing a 3-year business plan, you would create a projected profit and loss statement for each year, and then perhaps a final one that summarizes all 3 years. Now, a lot of people will get confused to why you do a projected profit and loss statement once you've done a cash flow statement. The reason being is the projected profit and loss statement focuses on the profit or loss that is going to be made annually, whereas a cash flow statement focuses on cash, and it takes into consideration assets, liabilities, such as loans going into the business, loans being paid back. A projected profit and loss statement doesn't take into consideration any assets or liabilities. It's purely just sales and expenses, which equals your profit. Another difference is a cash flow statement can be month to month or even week to week, whereas a profit and loss statement, generally, especially a projected profit and loss statement, generally is a year, is 12 months. So let's create this statement, and I'll show you how to do it. Let's create a new tab. First of all, I'm going to click Print Preview. Okay, so I just get these lines up on the spreadsheet so I know where it's going to print. This top row, second row down, let's merge and center them, and let's put in projected profit and loss statement, and then we can put the business name, so BPFS, that's my business. I'm going to make that bold and underline. I'll do the same underneath, merge and center them, and I'll put the year in here, so 2015 to 2016. The first line of information we need to put onto this projected profit and loss statement is sales information. So let's create a heading, sales, bold and underline. And say we're selling products, I'm actually going to list sales or projected sales for each product. So product A, product B, and product C. Now, as mentioned in previous videos, when you project sales, you just have to use a well-educated guess. That's all it is. Do your research and then make a well-educated guess to what sales figures are going to be. Up here on column H, let's put a pound signal in, or a dollar signal, some sort of currency signal. Center that. If we highlight the whole column, we'll center it all. Let's make that bold and underline. And let's put some information here. So say our projected sales for product A are going to be 5,000, 3,000, 3,200. If we highlight the column again, column H, right click, format cells, go down to currency, select your symbol. I'm using pound sterling, 2 decimal places, okay. We'll then have the monetary value showing. We'll put another heading in, this time put total sales. Make bold, underline. We're then going to bring the line across. So just hold down the space bar, just move this back a bit. It just gives greater emphasis then on what the total sales figure is. Equals sum, open bracket, highlight the three totals, close bracket, enter. So 11,200. Our next line of information is cost of sales. And we need to enter the cost of sales as we want to first get a gross profit figure. And your gross profit is your sales minus cost of sales. Cost of sales can be easier to calculate if you're selling products, as simply it's the direct cost involved in making a sale. So if we were to sell product A, say for £100 and we paid £50 for that product, then our cost of sales would be £50. It's the amount we paid for the product. So once again, we can itemize this product A, B and C. I may be able to just copy these and bring them down. There we go. Let's put the information in. So let's say that's 2,000, 1,800 and 900. Another subtotal, total cost of sales. It could be, if we're selling over PayPal or eBay, you would want to create perhaps payment fees, something you can directly link to the cost of sale to make the gross profit a more accurate figure. Equals sum, open bracket, close bracket. Our next line is gross profit. Now, just like total sales, the gross profit figure is a figure we really want to make stand out. So let's make it bold and underline again. And we'll bring the line across. Like so. And this equals your sales minus cost of sales. So H12 minus H21. Click enter. Let's make this bold. You can also make the total sales bold. Very good.